Big breaking news from Indian cricket. BCCI has removed Rohit Sharma as ODI captain and handed over the reign to the Shubman Gill. He will be the next captain in ODI in Australia tour. But the big question is it a fair move or any hidden conspiracy? Because Rohit Sharma has been brilliant throughout his journey. He is very selfless captain of India, and his track record is also brilliant. He made us win in T20 World Cup Champions Trophy unbeaten, and in the World Cup ODI unbeaten till final. So what a track record. And he is no longer a captain of India. Fans are asking, why is this happening? We will discuss it in the next video. Comment me in my comment box, what do you think about it?